Hey there, today we're going to look at how to insert site coordinates in AutoCAD quickly using easting and northing values. So let's get started. First, over here, open a new text document on your computer, then type all your coordinates in easting and northing format, and make sure every point is organized properly. After that, check all coordinates carefully so everything is clear and ready for use. Now over here, select all the coordinates, then copy them using right-click and copy. After that, open AutoCAD and prepare to insert the coordinate data. Then over here, type P-line in the command line and press Enter. After that, click on the command line and paste all the copied coordinates directly into it. Now over here, press Enter again, then AutoCAD will automatically plot and connect all your points in the same order they were listed. After that, you will see your site outlines start forming on the screen. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.